When you're pruning a tree, you want to stay on the ground. And so that's why we have pole saws. Pole saws are really neat because there is a saw so you can get the larger branches. There's also a cutter so you can get smaller branches. I'm going to show you some of the places you might use that. So we're going to start out with a couple of small branches. So here's a branch that's about a 1/2 inch in diameter. So I'm just going to hook the clippers on it and just pull the rope and it cuts. Okay, let's try this branch. Okay, that one's a little bit too big for the pruners. So we're gonna flip around and we'll just use the saw here. Sometimes when you're using a pole saw, you can't quite cut exactly where you want to because there's a tree crotch in the way or a branch, but you can get pretty close and you can make that cut without having to leave the ground. Pole saws often come with a telescoping feature that lets you make them longer or shorter. This one can go out to about 12 feet. Others can go longer. But if you need to cut a branch on your tree, don't get a ladder. That's dangerous. You could fall. Instead, get a pole saw.